Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to take an easy-to-understand journey through the musculoskeletal system. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a solid grasp of its components and how they work together to help us move, bear weight, and stay upright. First, let's define what the musculoskeletal system is. It's the combination of your bones, muscles, joints, and connective tissues. These parts work together to support the body, protect organs, allow movement, and store minerals like calcium. The musculoskeletal system can be broken down into two main parts, the skeletal system and the muscular system. Skeletal system, this is made up of bones and cartilage. The bones form the rigid framework of your body, while cartilage is a flexible tissue found at the ends of bones and in joints. Muscular system, made up of muscles that move your body and generate force. These include skeletal muscles, voluntary movement, smooth muscles, involuntary, found in organs, and cardiac muscles, found only in the heart. Bones are the body's hard framework. They protect vital organs like your brain and heart. They also store minerals, such as calcium and phosphorus, and produce blood cells in the bone marrow. Think of bones as both shields and factories. There are 4 types of bones based on their shape. Long bones, like your arms and legs. Short bones, like those in your wrist and ankle. Flat bones, like your skull or rib cage. Irregular bones, like the bones in your spine. Each of these bone types serves a specific function, from allowing movement to protecting organs. Now, let's talk about joints. Joints are where 2 bones meet and they allow for movement. There are different types of joints, including hinge joints, like your elbows and knees. They allow for bending and straightening. Ball and socket joints, like your shoulders and hips. These allow for a wider range of movement in almost all directions. Pivot joints, like the joint in your neck that lets you turn your head. Joints are lubricated by synovial fluid to make movement smooth and reduce friction. Muscles are what make movement happen. There are 3 main types of muscles. Skeletal muscles, these muscles are attached to bones and allow for voluntary movement, like walking or lifting. Smooth muscles, found in internal organs, these are involuntary. You don't control them, like the muscles in your stomach and intestines. Cardiac muscle, this muscle makes up your heart. It beats without you having to think about it. Skeletal muscles are attached to bones by tendons, and when muscles contract, they pull on bones, creating movement. Muscle contraction happens when muscle fibers are stimulated by electrical signals from your nervous system. When these fibers contract, they shorten, pulling on the bones to produce movement. This process is powered by a molecule called ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Example, when you bend your arm, your biceps muscle contracts, pulling your forearm towards your shoulder. At the same time, your triceps relax to allow the movement. All these parts work together like a finely tuned machine. Your bones provide the framework, joints enable movement, and muscles make the movement happen. Tendons and ligaments also play vital roles in connecting muscles to bones and bones to other bones, respectively. Together, they help you perform everything from simple movements, like walking, to complex actions like dancing or lifting heavy objects. Unfortunately, like any system, the musculoskeletal system can face issues. Some common disorders include osteoporosis, when bones become weak and fragile, increasing the risk of fractures. Arthritis, inflammation of the joints, causing pain and stiffness. Muscle strains, when muscles or tendons are stretched or torn. Fractures, breaks in the bone, which can be caused by trauma or overuse. It's important to take care of your musculoskeletal system through regular exercise, a balanced diet with enough calcium and vitamin D, and avoiding excessive strain on your body. To wrap it up, the musculoskeletal system is a powerful combination of bones, muscles, and joints that work together to allow movement, support, and protection. By understanding its basic functions and components, you can better appreciate the amazing way our bodies work. Don't forget to keep your bones strong and your muscles healthy.